Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show you how to make an image a link in HTML. To start, you will only need something like a notepad. What you want to do is show you are using HTML by putting two inequality signs and inside put HTML, and then another after that with a / before HTML. Now in between them, inside inequality signs, put A to make a link, then href equals, and then what the link goes to. Now make a new line and add an image. To do this, put inequality img, then src equals, and then a link to the image. Now close the link on a new line with a / a. Now when you run it, there will be an image, and clicking on that image takes you to that link. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. I have also just recently started a Patreon for people who want to support the channel. Being a patron gives access to GitHub files for every upload from now, and more depending on what tier you get. Thank you for watching, and bye.